welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And a very happy new year to all of you. I know it's late, but still happy new year. Now let's see some shots. So in this video, I am unboxing plus reviewing Faber Castell sketch pen, or you may say marker or connector pens. I brought this bag from our retail store nearby from my house. Let us have a look. So as you can see, the brand name written on it, Faber Castell, well-known brand. So these are the all connector pens. There are 25 shades available. Actually more than 25 shades available in the market, but I only get 25 shades. Look at this picture. So cute. And seriously, these connector pens are so sturdy. Lots of information written in the back. And a cute little picture was also given on it. Here are some information written on it. The information says this connector pen is used for drawing and coloring on paper, cardboard and charts. Okay. Caps clip pens together for easy storage and creative construction. Acha. Okay. Caps clips, yes. Connected with each other, yes. Easy to storage, yes. Sturdy, yes. So whatever they claim, yes. So as you can see, here are all the shades given here. All the 25 shades. And the MRP says 140 rupees. Yes. I also get this 140 rupees as well. Not a single penny short. Let's unbox it. My most favorite part. The pens, actually these pens are called connector pens. Why? Because they are connected to each other. I mean, their caps are connected to each other. The sketch pens are in a solid color container. As you can see, they are color coding. The sketch pens are in a solid color container of what the color of the marker or sketch pen should be. It has a brand name on its side and also a cap that looks like a hook to connect with the clip-ons and to the other marker also, yes. You can see that this one, it shows so good. Now for the swatches. Actually, okay, first see swatches and then start again. I really love this color. Really love this color. This color is so good. And this light pink, I guess, thumbs up. it will work pretty good. I write it like I'm writing with a pen. As you can see, I draw something. I know these drawings are so kiddish drawing. 2 flowers, 4 leaves and some roots. But I don't have anything on my mind when I draw this. I just wanted to show you that how it works. So I just draw this simple thing just to show you the swatches, how it works. But really, I can tell you that it works so good, so smooth. Like I am drawing with a pastel, like with a color pencil. The colors are so good. You can easily draw anything with it. Seriously, Faber Castell, I'm really impressed. I'm really enjoying using this product. I can't feel that I'm using a sketch pen or a marker. It is really smooth, easy to write, like you are writing with a pen. I give a thumbs up. Sorry, I've become a kid. I play with this. It looks like a pen holder. All in all, I can say that these connector pens are really easy to use, fun to play with, a great start for beginners, and a good for coloring. Seriously, it is easy to color. It is easily glide on it on the paper, and the price is really affordable. 25 connector pens with 140 rupees. It's really a catch and worth to buy. At least it is worth for me. And truly speaking, I am pretty much satisfied with this product purchase. If you want to buy, then I say go for it. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming video. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for seeing my video. Bye. bye.